G'day. Hey, g'day everyone, Daniel O'Grady here. Hope you are doing well, and we're going to another event. It's called Next Sunday, that's the name of the event, and it's a swap meet mainly. But I think there's going to be like motorcycles, custom cars. The guys from Agotan Racing will be there too, so of course there was that Savannah, plus there's a whole bunch of other interesting cars that they've got. So it's going to be a good event, and hopefully I'll do some car spotting along the way and find some fantastic cars. Well, I don't know where it is, but I'm looking at about a few hundred bikes, so I'm guessing this is it.ギミックわーすごいねこれすごいそれ彼は人気高速遊園のやつ高速遊園のやつ売れちゃった。ステッカーもなくなった。これも4つあったけどもこれ1枚になっちゃった。あんなもんあれ入らんけんや。ありがとうどうもありがとうございます。
an absolutely fantastic day next Sunday, and maybe I'll go next year as well. Custom bikes, not really my thing, but you can't deny some fantastic work. And of course I caught up with some friends, so that was great too. So good. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much. Do subscribe. Like, so many people watch who aren't subscribed. The numbers confusing. But anyway, subscribe, share. That'd be awesome. Everyone, thank you so much, and take it easy. Goodbye.